Hey there, Windows 11 users. Ever been hit with a "something happened, your PIN is no longer available" on your screen? Frustrating, right? Well, fear not. In today's quick guide, we're diving into the why and how to fix it. PIN troubles, meet their match. Let's jump in. Hold down the Shift key and give the power icon a click. Now, while still holding Shift, hit Restart. Navigate to Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options. Click on Command Prompt. It's your trusty tool for this fix. Type regedit and press Enter. We're entering the registry world. Double-click on HKey_local_machine. Double-click on Software. Double-click on Microsoft. Double-click on Windows NT. Double-click on Current Version. Double-click on Passwordless. Click on Device. Then right-click on Device Passwordless Build Version. Hit Modify. Set the value data to 0, then click OK. We're almost there. Type Exit and press Enter. Click Continue when prompted, and there you have it. Your PIN login should be back to normal. Thanks for tuning in, and happy computing. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.